the solution to this example, we want to create an area chart. So I'm going to highlight the data. I'm going to say insert, and by the line we have our area charts. Now if we choose 2D area, just a plain area, some of the data gets hidden. So here we want to do a stacked. So I'm going to click on that. Let's just make it a bit bigger. What you'll see is I can add drop lines to this. So I'm going to go here, add, and now the lines option is available, and we'll say drop lines, and you can see it's a bit clearer. And here these numbers are a little bit big, so I want them to be displayed as millions. So I'm going to right click, format axes, display units. Let's do millions. There we go.